we talk about another sensory system, we're going to talk about our sense of sound, of hearing. For a child who seeks more sound, this is a child who's constantly humming and singing. Okay? At home that might be fine during homework, but you might imagine that in the classroom, if your neighbor is humming or singing, that's often very distracted. It's very distracting to other children in the classroom. So it's a great coping mechanism when you're not around other people. For children, or another great example is we have what we often as parents call selective hearing, right? We know our children's hearing is intact, but they often seem to completely ignore our directions. Are they not hearing us? Are they being behavioral? Perhaps, but, right, especially with those 2 and 3-year-olds, but are they tuning into what we're hearing, right? It looks like they're ignoring our directions. Many times we see children who are hypersensitive to sound, and they avoid it. They're hearing too much sound. So what does it look like? It often looks like this, right? We can do that sometimes. If there's a fire drill, and we see kids walking out like this, that's considered pretty acceptable, right? Or another one with small children I find is they're afraid of the flush in public restrooms, right? It's got like a really big power flush, and they cover their ears. That's sometimes okay. That's an occasional sound. The public restroom, the fire drill.